Hey guys, so today we're going to be playing with the Glamlite Icee Cherry palette. I have a bunch of makeup still over here, still new stuff that I need to film, so I'm just trying to get through that pile. Some of this stuff is really old, like not it's new, but like it's like a couple of years old. Oh my god, I'm so unorganized. Anyway, it's the 1st of July today when I'm filming this, so I started my month of uploads today, which is going to be really exciting. I'm feeling pretty confident about it. I feel like I have enough stuff. I think I have like 3 or 4 videos like pre-filmed, which doesn't sound like a lot, but I feel like it's enough to start this month. So yeah, I feel like we have a good chance of actually being able to do this, which is great. I'm going to film some videos today, obviously. So I'm going to film like this one. Then I need to show you guys what I got for my birthday. I've got a little haul, and I also want to film some skincare videos. So it should be a pretty good filming day. It's already 3 p.m. Well, but I did some editing and stuff this morning. Put my video up for today. Put up a Patreon video, and also put up my video for tomorrow. And am halfway through editing my video for Monday. So I'm not so mad that I'm filming late, like, or not like late, but you know what I mean. Okay, just prime my eyes with the P. Louise base in room 01. This thing just keeps going. Like, I've been saying to you guys for months that it's like on its last legs, and it's still kicking. So this is the palette we have for today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm gonna be fully transparent that I haven't filmed for a little while. I think the last time I filmed was like last weekend. So coming out to the studio today, I did feel a little bit like, it's like if I don't film for like a week, I get like in this weird little bubble where I suddenly just want to go back to doing neutral looks, and the thought of colour stresses me out. I don't know why. So yeah, if I take too long away from filming, I get in like, I want to go back to my safe place. So I feel like I didn't want to do anything like super rainbow or anything like that. Because I just want to like ease myself back into filming first. But this is not neutral by any means. This is a red palette, but I thought this was like a kind of a safer one in a sense. So I'm really excited. So this is how the palette looks here. It is really stunning. Obviously it's like a monochrome palette. And I think I'm going to start by taking the shade called Epic, and it's like a hot pink kind of shade. I'm just gonna put this at the start of my video because I forget all the time, but I do also have a Patreon where you guys can get exclusive videos like that aren't available on my YouTube channel. At the moment I'm doing a series over there where I'm working my way through my makeup collection. So my whole entire makeup collection is in boxes at the moment because I've packed it all up and we're going through everything, and I'm doing a tutorial with like every product. So I also do like declutters over there, vlogs, all that stuff. It's just the same stuff that we do over here, but videos that you won't see on YouTube, they're on Patreon. So if you want to support me, that would be great. Hoping for 50 patrons by the end of the year. I think that was my goal. I can't really remember. I have it written down somewhere, but I cannot remember. Okay, this first shade is really pretty. It blends out really nice. This brush is not the brush for the job though. I need something a bit fluffier. I look at my brushes and I'm like, oh, I really need to buy some more, but it's just because they're all dirty. So I really don't need to buy some more at all. Okay, I'm just gonna blend that a little bit more. The next shade I'm gonna go in with is called Smile. It's a really pretty shade because it's still quite like pinky, but like still like red with like a very prominent like pink in it. So it's almost time to prepare for Halloween. I have tried to do 31 days of Halloween every year. And I have just never been able to complete it because I'm very unorganized. I think I've got time. Suddenly October rolls around. Suddenly I'm a week behind. Suddenly I'm like, okay, I'm not doing it anymore. But this year I'm really determined to try and actually get organized. So I'm thinking of maybe this month at the very minimum I'm going to have all of the looks that I want to do like mapped out, so that I know like what I'm working with, what I need to do, when I need to do it by. And I might even start doing some of the looks this month. I'm gonna, you know, like I'm not gonna put too much pressure on it because it's only July. I think like if I do some this month, it'll be, you know, like maybe like 1 or 2, and then I'll amp it up in August by maybe doing like 4 or something. In September I'll probably do like 8, and then by the time that we've reached October I can take my, like, you know, it's not going to be a huge wait. So I'm planning it this time early so that we have a better chance of actually being able to do it. Very excited about that. But yeah, if you also have any recommendations of what you want to see me do this year for 31 Days of Halloween, comment below and let me know. I've obviously got some ideas and like some that I'll redo and stuff like that, just because I obviously spend a lot of money on the costumes. This year I will not be spending any money on it financially, just because we're saving for a house, we're saving to go away. Next year I would love to like splurge and be able to like buy all new costumes and stuff like that, but that's just not going to happen this year, which I am fine with because I already knew that it wouldn't. This is the year of saving and living on a budget in a sense. That's why Patreon is so good in it, like, because any money that I can make off there will go straight back into the channel, if you know what I mean. So that is why I'm pushing it so hard, and yes, I am aware that I'm pushing it hard, and I'm sorry if it comes off annoying. I really don't mean for it to. I know what it's like, but like I know it can come off annoying and stuff like that, but also the thing is I need people to know if I want to support myself off this, that's the way I'm going to be able to do it. And sometimes you've just got to be your #1 supporter, so I'm out here plugging myself relentlessly. That sounded really weird. I'm out here plugging my Patreon relentlessly. What do we got going on here? Okay, I'm going to take the next shade, and it's called Sweet. It's like this really dark, like, okay, it's not super dark, but you know what I mean. It's like this really pretty dark berry kind of shade. Very, very pretty. It's called Sweet. Wow, isn't that stunning, guys? Look at it. Oh, can't even see. It's a really, really pretty shade. Cute, okay. Very pretty. I'm going to take a bit of that Smile shade again, just use that to blend. I don't think, I will be doing the cut crease today as well, so that I can use one of these shimmers. And then last, before I cut the cut crease, I'm just going back into that Epic shade. I'm just going to take that on a clean brush and use that to run over everything, just so I've got like still a hint of it there, if you know what I mean. That was the first shade we used. Alright, I'm going to go off camera, cut this crease, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've cut the crease now. This is how the eyes are looking. I just blended that Sweet shade into the cut crease. Now I have 2 shades that I'm really tossing up between. Oh, I feel like that's so pretty, but I just don't know if it's going to be too like monochromatic. I really wanted to take that. Oh, that one's so pretty though. I think I'm going to take it. Who cares? Honestly, like, who cares? So this one is called Colourful Tongue. Just is really pretty. Like, it's almost kind of peachy, pinky shade. I think I'll stop it about there so that I can put the white shade on, like, and make like a kind of ombre situation. How pretty is that shade though? Like, wow, it's really, really nice. I really like it. Just blending it out. And then I'm going to put on that white shade, which is called White Cherry. It's like a duochrome. It's white and pink. But it's created like this really pretty ombre. And then I'm just going to take our Sweet shade one more time and just blend it into that shimmer, just so we're blended. Okay, cute. Alright, I'm going to go off camera. We're going to do the rest of my face, liner, lashes, everything else. Then I'll be back to show you guys the finished look. Okay guys, here is the finished look. I used pretty much e.l.f. products for the rest of the look just because that's what I had sitting on my desk. So there is a close-up. I really like the way it turned out. I think it looks really, really pretty. So yeah, I think this palette was really nice. I really like the quality of Glamlite shades. I think they're really good. I have so many Glamlite palettes to try out, so I need to get a move on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think below, and don't forget to check out my Patreon. Thank you. Bye.